Hey everyone, James Reeves, SHOT Show 2023 with TFBTV. We're here at the Radical Firearms booth. Radical living up to their name with one of the most rad things I've seen at the show. Nothing gets me more max than a mini, if you know what I'm saying. We've got a minigun in .338, and we've got the designer of the gun himself giving us an interview. This is Matt with Radical. Matt, thanks for being on the program.
Thank you for having me. Nice to meet you.
Hey, walk me through this, man. I don't know shit about miniguns, so bring me the basics, bring me the details, bring it all.
So, we're DTV Arms. We're paired with Radical. We manufacture M134 upgrade kits and complete guns. We just came out with this. This is the XR338. It's multi-caliber and chambered in .338 Norma Magnum here, but can be chambered in .338 Lapua as well. Our gun is 2 pounds heavier than a Dillon M134. For those that aren't familiar with .338 Norma Magnum, you have an effective range of 1,910 yards. You're shooting a 300 grain projectile, and we're shooting about the equivalent of 18.91 rounds of 50 BMG on target per second out of this gun.
Did you guys catch all that?
It's pretty wild. We have a suppressor. It works really well. That gun is...
Are you serious?
Dead serious, yeah. Constructed out of Inconel 625. You see the large OD right here. Each barrel during the firing sequence has access to the entire internal volume. We have almost 100% flash suppression on an O2 filled can. As you burn that out, the flash suppression encroaches on 100%. That's really important for the people that use these guns. That's your biggest visual signature out, on the door of a Blackhawk or something like that. So, we have a light gun. We have the lightest M134 out there. We have the only running .338 minigun on the planet. We've gone from a 6-barrel cluster to a 5-barrel cluster. That's allowed us to keep the size and the weight down on the gun, and we also maintain 47.5% parts compatibility with the M134. Everything works the same. It's just a little bit bigger. It's only a couple inches, but that makes a difference sometimes.
That's what I say.
Of course. Your controls are in exactly the same place. One of the big features that we have on our minigun is onboard power and variable rate of fire. Battery works just like a cordless drill. We get about 35,000 rounds off a legacy motor. With our upcoming motor, that's going to be closer to 114,000 rounds. That's almost $750,000 in ammunition on this gun until you have to recharge. And when you do, it just pops off like a drill and you just plop it on the charger. We have a quick detach GCU. For guys running 134s, that's like kind of the shit. We have our own safing sector here. Allows us to remove training rotor in here. Allows us to remove the bolts without breaking the safing sector down. This is our machinable delinker housing. If you want to change caliber, twist, pop off, change the nose out, that's pretty much it. Swap the barrels, you're done, like 30 seconds. Only gun in the world that'll do that. That's our company. We make a multi-piece rotor. This is what's going to blow up. You have a gun in government inventory. This is your serialized part. It practically takes an act of Congress to replace when you lose a locking lug. On our rotor, it's right here on the tail. Think about like those awesome cans that, you don't need to, the serialized part is not the part that's going to blow up. Same thing with this. You run a titanium head, titanium tail, steel locking lugs. It's just a lot lighter. Comes apart toollessly. I need a bullet tip to push it out, but anyway, disassembled toollessly, where that's not the case with any other 134. It's killer. I can't stress enough that gun is 2 pounds heavier than a 134 and it's chambered in .338.
This has been one of the most entertaining interviews that I've done. Your shit is so squared away.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to go to the Circle Bar and holler at hookers with you later tonight.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, no, this was an incredible rundown. Now, obviously, unfortunately, I can't get one, but let's say that, I was able to. Can you ballpark me? Like, how much would this
gun
cost?
I can't say.
I figured as much. I mean, can you even tell me if you sold any? Probably not, huh?
Well, this is its third day out in the wild, but still trying to figure out where it's going to land. The added lethality of it is kind of hard to put a price on, because you can mount this gun on anything that you're going to mount a 134 on, but you're adding about 1,000 yards to your effective range. And obviously you have a dramatic increase of energy on target with the 338 rounds, so it's going to be hard to say. But the guys that are buying it, I don't really think they care.
Right, yeah, exactly.
It's a force multiplier.
Just like Matt said, Circle Bar, beer, $12, increased lethality, priceless.
Yes.
Guys, thanks a ton for watching TFBTV Showtime SHOT Show 2023. Stay tuned, we're bringing you more.